For my third training hike, I'm going to be climbing Mount Washington. I learned my lesson from last time to actually check how long the hike is, so no surprises there. It's going to be about 8.5 miles with somewhere around 3,200 feet of climbing. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully I can get it done in about 3 hours. There's actually a handful of people at the trailhead today, so might see some people up there, which will be nice. This trail is really hard to find. There's no signs or anything. It's a cold one today. I think it's about 45 degrees and it's pretty windy out here. "1,000 feet to go." Top of Mount Washington. There's not much to see up here, except for maybe this weather station, but the fog is still pretty cool. It looks like the sun's trying to come out, but it's pretty cold and windy up here, so I'm gonna get out of here. Looks like I left just in time. It's nice of the sun to poke its head out. "3 hours and 8 minutes, I'll take it." That was a nice little hike. The clouds are really cool too. Now it's time to go home and dry off.